So we continue with diamond work, exercise 9.3, and we are on sum number 7. I can see from sum number 7 onwards, the sums become slightly trickier, so pay attention properly for these sums. They are very, very important. First one, seventh sum. If 3 women or 5 girls take 17 days to complete a piece of work, how long will 7 women and 11 girls work together take to complete the work? Now, here it is given that 3 women काम करे या 5 girls काम करे. So it is given that 3 women working is equals to 5 girls working. So if 5 girls are working or 3 women are working, the amount of work done by both of them will be the same. So we can also in a way say that 1 woman is equals to 5 upon 3 girls. So if there is 1 woman, she is able to do a work equivalent to 5 upon 3 girls, right? Why we are doing this thing is because we are being told that 7 women and 11 girls are going to work together. So automatically, if 1 woman is equal to this many girls, 7 women will be equal to what? 5 upon 3 into 7 girls. So that will be 35 upon 3 girls. Right? 7 women will be equal to 35 upon 3 girls. And we already know that there are how many girls? Another 11 girls there. So that's why, so 7 women plus 11 girls is equals to 35 upon 3 plus 11 girls, which is nothing but 33. So it is 35 plus 33 upon 3 is equals to 68 upon 3 girls. So what we had done, let's understand what we had done. What we did was that we were told that there are these many women and this many girls. But I cannot add the women and the girls together. So what I need to do, I will find out that how much is 7 women equivalent to in girls. Okay, if 1 woman can do the work of 5 upon 3 girls, उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Can 7 women will be equivalent to 35 upon 3 girls? Right? 35 upon 3 girls लूँ मैं या 7 women लूँ, both are the same. And you already know that they are already taken 11 girls with them. So the total of this two is nothing but 68 upon 3 girls. Got it? So 68 upon 3 girls is the total number of people who are working in that particular job to be done. That is given over here that it takes 17 days. So 5 girls take 17 days to complete the work. Therefore, 68 upon 3 girls take X days. So cross multiply, you get it as 68 upon 3 into 17 is equal to 5 into X. So X will be equal to 68 into 17 upon 3 into 5. Okay? Quite a unique question. Answer will be slightly different. So let's see the calculation में कोई लफड़ा तो नहीं है. Okay, one sec. Okay, sorry, this is inverse variation. More the girls, lesser the days taken. So I made a mistake over here. So it will be 5 into 17 is equals to 68 upon 3 into X. So X will be equal to 3 into 5 into 17 upon 68. Okay. कहीं पे कोई cancellations देखना पड़ेगा. Yes, 34. So 17 fours is this way. So that will be 15 upon 4. That will be 3 upon 4 days. Okay. So 3 upon 4 days will be required to complete the job when 7 women, so they will take, so 7 women and 11 girls take 3 upon 4 days. Understood? The main thing was this part. We converted the 7 women into girls. So instead of 7 women, we took it as 35 upon 3 girls. 7 women was equal to 35 upon 3 girls. So automatically it will be 35 upon 3 plus 11. So that means these many girls. And then you are just doing the inverse ratio. We now move on to sum number 8. Okay, sum number 8. A can do the job in 10 days while B can do it in 15 days. If they work together and earn 3,500, how should they share the money? Okay, so we know very well that if A can do the work in 10 days, automatically he is much faster, should be paid more. And if B can do the work in 15 days, automatically he is a slower person, so he should be paid less. So accordingly, according to the speed at which they are working, the payment should be made in that particular order. So we see that the A's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 10. B's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon, what is that? 15. So 1 day, so the A 1 upon 10x plus 1 upon 15x is equal to 3500. So the sharing, the work, the amount will have to be shared only in terms of the ratio of the work done. So we can say or we can just write one line over here. So we can write over here. So earnings should be divided in the ratio 1 upon 10 is to 1 upon 15. Okay, so this gives us as 1 upon 10 x plus 1 upon 15 x is equal to, it's a common multiple as x, is equal to 3500. A share, B share gives you 3500. So LCM over here is going to be 30. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 3500. 5x upon 30 is equal to 3500. X is equal to 3500 into 30 upon 5. So 6. So that will give you as x is equal to 6 5 is 33, 6, 18, 19, 21, 0, 0. Okay, this is x. Therefore, A's share is equal to 1 upon 10x is equal to 1 upon 10 into 21000 is equal to rupees 2100. B's share is equal to 1 upon 15x is equal to 1 upon 15 into 21000. That will be 5, this is 7000, and then 5 will be 1400. Equals to rupees 1400. You can cross check if the sum of the two is coming out to be 3500. Yes. So this is the share what we'll be having. So A share is equal to rupees 2100. B share is equal to rupees 1400. That was sum number 8. How should they share the money? They should share the money as 2100 and 1400. That should be the share for the 8th sum. We move on to the 9th sum. Okay, sum number 9. A A, B and C can separately do the work in 2, 6 and 3 days respectively. Working together, how much time would they require to do it, first of all? And secondly, if they earn them 960, how should they divide the money? So again the same thing. A's 1 day work is equals to 1 upon 2. B's 1 day work is equals to 1 upon 6. C's 1 day work is equals to 1 upon 3. So together is equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. LCM is 6, so it is 3 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 6 upon 6 is equals to 1. So they complete together in 1 day. Of course, the share will be based on the work. So earnings shared in ratio 1 upon 2 is to 1 upon 6 is to 1 upon 3. Therefore, 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 6x plus 1 upon 3x is equals to 960. So that will give you as 6, 3x plus x plus 2x is equals to 960. X is equals to 6 upon 6 is equals to 960. So x is equals to 960. Therefore, A's share is equals to 1 upon 2 into 960 is equals to 480 rupees. B's share is equals to 1 upon 6 into 960 is equals to 160 rupees. And C's share is equal to 1 upon 3 into 960 is equals to 320 rupees. So that's the answer. The answer will be 1 day, and 480, 160 and 320 will be the answers for sum number 9. Okay, we now move on to sum number 10. Okay, well, quite an easy sum. Just 3 people there. That's the only difference over here. Up till now there were only 2 people. Now there are 3 people. That's the only thing. Otherwise, it's absolutely the same thing. So, quite an easy sum. We now move on to sum number 10. Okay, sum number 10. A, B and C together can do a piece of work in 15 days. B alone can do it in 30 days. C alone can do it in 40 days. How many days will A alone do the work? So it's given over here that A plus B plus C is equals to 1 upon 15 days. That's a 1 day work is this much. B's 1 day is equals to 1 upon 30. C's 1 day is equals to 1 upon 40. So now we know that A plus B plus C is equals to 1 upon 15. So 1, we'll take it as A plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 40 is equals to 1 upon 15. So A's 1 day work will be 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 40. Okay, we're taking this on this side. So the addition था वो subtraction हो जाएगा. We are going to take the LCM. The LCM of 15 and 30 is 30, but 30 and 40 will be 120. So it will take it as 120. This will be 8za, this will be 4za, this will be 3za. So that will be 8 minus 4 minus 3 is 1. It is 8 minus 7, so it's 1 upon 120. So that's why A can do work in 120 days. Okay, A can alone do the work in 120 days. That's the answer for sum number 10. Got it? A's 1 day's work is 1 upon 20. So 1 upon 120. So that's why 120 days. We move on to sum number 11. A, B and C working together can plow the field in 4 upon 5 days. A and C together can do it in 8 days. How long would B alone do the plowing? Okay, so we have it over here. A plus B plus C is equals to going to be 1 upon, so it is 1 upon 4 upon 5. This is nothing but 1 upon, this will be 24 upon 5 is equals to 5 upon 24. Okay, so the time taken for A, B and C together will be 5 upon 4 days. Okay, A, B and C together, 1 day's work of A, B and C together will be this one. So 1 day work, this is 1 day work. Okay, I'll just make it more simpler. Time taken by A plus B plus C is equals to 4 upon 5 is equals to 24 upon 5 days. Therefore, 1 day work is equals to 1 upon 5 upon 20, 1 upon 24 upon 5 is equals to 5 upon 24. Okay, so much easier and clearer. Okay, similarly, you know that A and C can do it in 8 days. So 1 day work of A plus C is equals to 1 upon 8 days. 1 upon 8 work. So now we know that A plus B plus C is equals to A plus C plus B. Right? This is, we have got this, we have got this. So we can take this way, that 5 upon 24 is equals to 1 upon 8 plus B. So 5 upon 24 minus 1 upon 8 is equals to B, that is 1 day's work of B. So 24 is the LCM, so B will be equal to 24, 5 minus 3, that will be 2 upon 24. Therefore, B can do in 12 days. Okay, so B can alone plow the field in 12 days. That's sum number 11. So that was sum number 11, that B can plow the field in 12 days. Similar kind of sum, only difference being that यहाँ पे A, B अब separate दिया था, यहाँ पे और C साथ में दिया. That's the only thing. Otherwise, quite a similar sum. Okay, we now move on to sum number 12, and this is a difficult one. Okay, so pay attention. Sum number 12 is something which is different. So they are given us A and B together can build a wall in 10 days. So we can see that A plus B build in 10 days. Therefore, 1 day work is equals to 1 upon 10. B plus C build in, B and C working together can do it in 15 days. So it is in 15 days. So therefore 1 day work is equals to 1 upon 15. C and A together can do it in 12 days. C plus A build in 12 days. Therefore 1 day work is equals to 1 upon 12. How many days will it take to finish the work working all together, and also find the number taken by each to do the same work working alone. So we need to find out the value of A plus B plus C, and also the value of A, B and C separately. We can see over here that if I consider that this is one person, this is another person, this is third person. So if they work together, what will happen? It will be this way, that A plus B plus C plus C plus A will be equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 12. Got it? This combination plus this combination is going to work in this many days. That means 1 day's work of them together will be 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 12. So you can see A is coming twice, B is coming twice and C is coming twice. So that's why twice A plus B plus C is going to be 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 12. So if not one A but two such A's, not one B but two such B's, or not one C but two such C's are going to work together, then it is going to take totally this many days to complete that is the 1 day's work of this. So you can see that is equals to, the LCM over here will be again 60. So it will be 6 plus 4 plus 5. That will be equal to 15 upon 60. So that will be 4. So it is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 work is done by 6 people. So if it is, अगर हम लोग ज़्यादा, लेकिन अगर ये if it is A plus B plus C, then what will happen? It will be 1 upon 8 work. So therefore A plus B plus C is equals to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 8. Therefore A plus B plus C can do in 8 days. If A, B and C all together work together, then it is going to take 8 days for them to complete the work together. Did you understand this? 2A plus B था, 2B इधर लेके आएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? So this 2 comes here. So it is this way, that 2A plus B plus C is equal to 1 upon 4. So A plus B plus C is equal to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 8. Therefore A plus B plus C can do it in 8 days. अब क्या करेंगे? We need to know the value of A, B and C. So we know here that A plus B plus C minus B plus C is equals to A. So what is B plus C? 1 upon 15. So 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 15 is equals to A. So therefore A will be equal to, the LCM will be again 120. It will be 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 upon 120. So A does the work in 120 upon 7 days. A takes 120 upon 7 is equals to, cancellation करेंगे 7 ones are 7 and 7 15, so 1 upon 17 days. That's the value of A. The next will be A plus B plus C minus A plus C is equals to B. So 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon A plus C is 12 is equals to B. So B will be equal to, the LCM over here will be 24. So it's 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 upon 24. Therefore B takes 24 days to complete the work. Lastly, we have got A plus B plus C minus A plus B is equals to C. So 1 upon 8 minus A plus B is 10. So C will be equal to, this will be 40, 5 minus 4 is equals to 1 upon 40. So C takes 40 days. So the answers are, the first answer is 8 days. The second answer is 17 1 upon 7 days for A, 24 days for B, and 40 days for C. So this is your answer for question number 12. 8 days, A takes 17 1 upon 7 days, B takes 24 days, and C takes 40 days to complete the job. Working alone. So that was the 12th sum. We come to the last sum of the chapter, that is sum number 13. Oh, sorry. Okay, this was 12th one. Sorry, this was 12th one. So this was the 12th one, and yeah, now we move on to sum number 13. We did the 11th one, now? Yeah, we did the 11th one. Yes, 11th was done. Now 12th was done. Now 13th one. Okay, sum number 13. A pipe can fill a tank in 12 hours. By mistake, a waste pipe at the bottom is left open and the tank is filled in 16 hours. If the tank is full, how much time will the waste pipe take to empty it? So basically क्या है? Normally A and B when they work together, तो A is helping B to complete the work. But यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? A is filling the tank and B is removing the tank. Okay? एक fill कर रहा है, दूसरा empty कर रहा है. तो that means that A plus B नहीं होगा, A minus B will be the total time taken to complete the work. So they have given you that it is 12 hours. So we can say tap is 1 hour work is equals to 1 upon 12. Okay, we know that when they are together, so because it is being emptied, so together 1 hour work is equals to 1 upon 16. Okay, so we know over here that A minus B is equals to 1 upon 16. So 1 upon 12 minus B is equals to 1 upon 16. So you can bring it over here and this goes here. So it will be 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 16 is equals to B. So LCM is going to be B is equals to, now the LCM of this will be 48. This is 4 za, this is 3 za. So according it is 1 upon 48. Okay. Therefore, B tap can empty tank in 48 hours. Okay. Tap B, which is the waste pipe, can empty the tank in 48 hours. So this was the answer. This was basically the question because यहाँ पे क्या था, एक टैंक को खाली कर रहा है. That's why we have to take it A minus B. A is filling it up, B is emptying it. So that's why जो भी काम A कर रहा है उसको B कम कर रहा है. So that's why it is A minus B. That's the reason you are going to see that जो 12 घंटे में भर सकता था टैंक वो 16 घंटा लगा. That means 4 hours ज़्यादा लगा. क्यों 4 hours ज़्यादा लगा? Because B was emptying the tank. At what rate? That 48 hours में वो tank completely empty कर सकता है. So that is what you see in question number 13. So you know very well the 10 sums which are there in the solved examples are your homework for this particular chapter. That is exercise 9.3 के पहले के जो 10 sums है, that are your homework for exercise 9.3. And also I would like you to see the check your progress over here, the check your progress which has got 12 sums. I want you to do those sums also so that you are getting a proper practice. But I'll tell you when to submit this thing. So check your progress is also your homework for this particular chapter. So this ends the chapter direct and inverse variation. So we did it in 6 parts. First 2 parts were the direct variation. Next two parts were inverse variation, and the last two parts are for time and work. Okay, thank you.